Hello, Drew class. We're going to look at how to use Desmos to help us find the arc length, the portion of the circumference of this circle that we have kind of traversed if we cut out an angle of 3 pi over 4 on a circle with a radius of 4 feet. All right, that's one thing that we're going to look at. And then we're going to look at what if I want to find the area that would sweep out if I have that same angle of 3 pi over 4, that central angle. So what we have to understand here is for both of these formulas to work, this theta that we see needs to be in radian measure. Okay, radian measure is the one that relates the central angle and the radius to the arc length, and then that also is the one that will give us the right values for the area as well. So just keep in mind theta needs to be radian measure to do this. All right, so S is R. R is 4 feet, so we're just going to do 4 times, and then the angle measure theta is 3 pi over 4. So if I did 3 pi over 4, all right, it would give me that decimal. Okay, it says decimal rounded to 3 decimal places, so 9.425. All right, and then the units, because this is arc length, it's the same units as the radius. So this will be, all right, now the next part is area. So that's the other one. So I'm going to use 1/2 angle. The angle is 3 pi over 4. I had to put the times dot in there to get it to look right. 3 pi over 4. And then I'm going to multiply by the radius squared. So this is 4 times 4 squared. All right, so there is my number. Again, rounded to 3 places, 18.849. The next number after the 9 is 5. So that would round up, so that would be 850. So 18,850. Now this is area, and area is going to have the units for the radius squared, okay, because it's a area is a two-dimensional idea, so it's square feet. All right, so there are the two formulas that you need to do those. You need to get those formulas down because they're not going to be available to you on your midterm or your final exam.